Hello, welcome to Crystal Core Skills once again. This video is the summary of the line that we discussed earlier, but I'm just going to add on more types of lines. I did not include it in that video because obviously we had a look at them in the previous video when we are talking of circles, but this is the time to group them together. So as a summary of line, summary of the type of lines. So we look at bisector lines, of which we talked about angle bisector. We talked about perpendicular bisector, and we talk about segment bisector lines, and we also talk about symmetry, in which we talk about transformation line, we talk about rotation line, and we talk about reflection lines. And then we look at perpendicular lines, we also talk about parallel lines. We also talk about the grid lines. We talk about the altitude lines. We talk about latitude or longitude lines. So 8, I would add like a ray. Ray is a part of line basically, because a ray, it starts from a point and then you can just draw it like that. That is a ray, but you can create some segment there for it to make sense. But if you're going endlessly, then you can start from there and go endlessly, so that this segment AB forms some kind of like a line segment of the ray. So that is also in itself is another type of line, which is mainly used to indicate the direction and like the vectors, like maybe when the plane is flying somewhere to somewhere, so you indicate using that ray. Or if something is going infinitely, but a ray starts from one point and it goes to one direction only, and that is the difference between a ray and a line. But in itself, when you create the segment, it forms a line. So number 9, you can look at another type of a line, when we discuss in the circle that a line can be circle can define a chord. You know that a chord is a distance. It's a line drawn from one circumference of the circle to another, not passing from the center, and that defines some kind of like a segment there. And apart from that, we learn that circle also help us define what is called tangent lines. So this is number 10. Tangent lines are line. You can look at it like a line drawn at the circumference of a circle, touching circle at one point, and at that point it is perpendicular to the radius of the circle. So this is tangent line. So all around the circle, whenever it touches a circle, it has to be perpendicular to the radius of the circle. And then number 11, we have what is called diameter line. Diameter is just like another name of the chord, but it passes by the center of the circle. but the chord, we know chord passes through the circumference. I mean through it touches the circumference of the circle, but it doesn't pass through the center of the circle. So a line that passes through the center of the circle, connecting the circumference of the circle at 2 points, is called a diameter, which is another term for the chord, but the advanced one, because it passes via the center of the circle. Another type of line that the circle can provide us with is when you extend a chord outside, there you have what is called secant. So secant line is another type of the line that we have in a circle. It is that line extended across. You can extend it across the circle, so that it becomes a secant line. And yeah, that's basically the summary of the line. And next we are going to see how to manipulate these lines, how to name them and how to use them to create angles and different kind of shapes in geometry. I hope this video has been informative, and thank you for viewing. So what to take home from this video is just the types of lines, and we learn that there are many types of line, like 12, I would say 12 plus different types of lines, and we know that circle defines different types of lines as well, and we learn about how lines can help us to solve complex problems, like in the grid system, like in the map system. How line can help us to locate place in the universe. So yeah, these are the take home for you, and I hope this video has been informative. And please review the other video for the type of the line, so that you can know all about the 12 different types of lines and some of the families of the lines which are there, like the bisectors and the symmetry. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.